This is Trendy Triangles decal set from Altenew. This is a medium-sized decal set. These trendy triangles are sure to add geometric flair to any room. They are pure white and coordinate with our Trigonometry Stamp Set. They feature cool cutouts and can be applied to many different surfaces, including walls and furniture. Simply unroll the decal, remove them from the backing sheet, apply to the surface you desire, and smooth them out using hands, decal applicator, or a bone folder. With just a few simple steps, you will brighten your living areas with artistic designs and inspirational sentiments. For detailed application, how-to videos, and other decor inspirations using our decals, please visit us at altenew.com.